Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get free face for your Roblox avatar. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, we need to go to the avatar menu right here, and then we're going to go to the marketplace, and I'm going to search for face. Just go to the search menu. Okay, go to the search menu, and then you're going to search faces like this. And then to get the free face, you can filter the price. You can click on this menu, and then you're going to click on price range and enter 0. So you will get free faces. Okay, hold on. There will be some faces that you can apply to your avatar. Okay, for example, I'm going to select, wait guys, let's try this one. Yeah, just like that. And if you want to get the free items or free accessories, just filter it to 0 so you can get them for free. Okay guys, and that's how you can get free faces for your Roblox avatar. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!